Greetings, fellow foolish mortals. This is Nancy from Team White City Devils with thescarefactor.com. We are in Minooka, Illinois, about an hour away from Chicago, and we are at the Nightmare Haunted House. This is our first time attending this home haunt. Stay tuned and see what we encounter here at this home haunt that has gotten so many awards.
My parents have issues with their grandchildren as well.
Oh yes, grandchildren are very, very naughty. That's why I put them in the corner. Yes, I do.
See, we have this place called the Dark Room at our house.
Oh yes.
It's under the stairs. It's a little murky and musky.
Oh yes. I like that idea very much. Yes, I do. My problem is half of my grandkids are gone. They're in here. Yes, they are, but they taste very good.
So no vegan cookies.
No vegan. They're made with hearts and love. Okay, you can go.
Okay. Hey!
Welcome in! Hurry in! Against the wall! Against the wall! Against the wall! Against the wall! It's so nice to meet you. We're gonna have so much fun! We're gonna have so much fun! We're gonna have so much fun! Watch the movie! No! Never! Just watch the movie! Just watch it! Stop listening to her! Stop talking! You're trying to watch! Stop! You stop me! Stop me! Alright, watch the video! I wanna be! Watch!
Okay. Thank you.
You're late. You gotta get through. Come on.
Oh my friend! Chaos. Oh my god.
I'll smell fresh. The doctor finally treats a rat right. You are here to feed me, right?
I wasn't aware. I can find you. Yeah. We'll find you something. We'll be back.
You better. I'll keep coming for you.
Okay. We'll be back. We'll be back.
You'll leave me here.
Have you guys seen my patient?
No.
He's gone missing again.
No. Oh, here he is.
Take your pills! Did you take your pills today?
I did. Yeah.
You really did?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my god! Yay! I love when people take their pills!
Pills are good.
I love it!
No!
Stop!
Jimmy, stay out of it! What?
I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry. Don't tell me you're sorry.
Okay.
Tell him you're sorry.
I'm sorry. I don't think he hurt
Don't
me.
say that like that. What is the matter with you?
I'm
Jimmy,
sorry.
Stay out of it!
Oh.
Gosh! Animal! You see what I'm gonna put up with? Gosh! You make things so hard! Every time!
I didn't mean the messy wasn't me!
Oh.
You're fucking wrong.
They made the mess!
That's oh my god, hi. Right on time?
Uh-oh.
Okay.
For the bath?
There's time for a
I guess
shower?
the shower.
It's a shower.
We're all in my church as long as you ain't no sinner.
Oh.
This
Oh.
is what comes to sinners in my church.
Oh.
Oh no.
We best
You're
leave
no
then.
sinner?
Oh.
You're no sinner?
Yeah, I've done some sinning.
Confess those sins then if you want to stay in my church.
You got a week?
You gonna confess or you gonna go on and confess?
You got 2 weeks to spare?
I got about 2 weeks to spare.
We're gonna have to go through a
Oh
lot.
man, there's a lot of sins.
I just hid my
Not as
pants
long
in
as my
there.
rap sheet.
Thanks, Padre.
I sinned.
That's
You sinned in your pants. Well, I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. I know we did. And as always, stay scary, my friends.